Alright, okay, so I added a little bit of spinach to what they were eating with their egg today. And I've closed the cage, so now I'm going to have bars in the screen, but you could see Jasper's back in with the babies. I did put in a couple more handfuls of bedding this morning. Not liking how two of the babies' legs are looking, and I think it's due to them not being able to grip, so I'm hoping that I caught it early enough to where this will correct any issues they may be having with their legs as they develop. Jasper's tired. And so they all look fat and chubby, and they look doing really well.